Power Trick or Trade. Alright people, I'm inside of PowerGroupTrades. I'm going to do a review of 175% gains and large option gains in my in a very volatile market conditions, but was a big comeback for us, and that is AAPL, something I always explain the importance of Apple, and I made a plan February the 6th. Let's take a look what I said, people. Okay, so here we are inside on February the 6th, okay? You can see this February 6th. You can see that Apple was at $160. Now, at the time, the options, the March 16 165 calls costed $375 per option. And you can see me with the arrow. All right. I said I like Apple here as a reversal play. Targets are 170 to 175. The March 16 165 calls could be used. Well, people, well, if you held these options, at least some runners, because 100% gains, and you want to hold, you're up quite a bit in AAPL, Power Trick or Trade. Simply, I said buy this simply above 161. Now, the moral of the story is this did go against us 50%, but let me explain. Alright people, so here we are on the post I made February the 9th. Now, as you all know, on February the 9th, there was a lot of fear. Market was crashing. Stock clown was telling people to sell. But Power Trick or Trade, yours truly, the big picture expert, called for a big bounce. Let's see what I explained. And again, I use the market to tell us. No guessing, no assuming, and nobody, and I mean no one, people, did what I did. This is why I am the big picture expert. All right, now, the market, I said this February 9th, the market has key pivot point. 254 is one of them. Above that, and that is a good sign. Okay, so basically, all we had to do is close above 254 on Friday, and that would be a good sign, right? But then I said above 256, this was another key pivot. Even better. Now, you want to know something? If you watch that, it was around 12:30. We were above we started regaining, and every time we broke my key levels, you could tell the market was getting stronger. Power Trick or Trade, people. Power Trick or Trade. Then I said, even better, above 259. Of course, on that day, we closed at 261. A super, listen carefully what I said here, a super good sign of a possible strong, did we get a strong bounce, people? Bounce in the cards. With all the fear and extra flushing, we need this day to end. And where we are at those key numbers, and basically what I meant, I didn't make it clear enough, but I want to explain, where we are at those key numbers will tell us what's going to happen. And lo and behold, people, and nobody, and I mean nobody, said that or did that or could do that with key pivotal numbers. Advanced technical analysis. The big picture winner. The billionaire advisor. All right, now, helping little people, small people, it doesn't matter, small accounts, make money with options. Plus, I'm the best when it comes to even long-term investments. But that's another story, people. All right, now, let me show you something. Okay, so here we are on the charts, and let me show you here. You can see the options are up, and you can see here $975 an option. A great 150% gains in the option, actually more. But let me show you the entry. And again, let me put up the SPY quick. So here we see the SPY, and you see this day. Let's take a look here, people. What did we do? We closed 261.5, and that's February the 9th. See, February the 9th. You'll see that over here. You see the date over there, right over in the corner. See this corner over here when I open it up? What do you see? February the 9th, right? That's the day, the reversal day. Right at the key pivot, we were a little bit below, and then boom, Power Trick or Trade, and everyone was flipping. Power Trick or Trade, just like I did on February 11, 2016. I made a reversal plan, and look where Apple, look where it went. Ha ha! 273 close. Power Trick or Trade. 1 second, people. Here I go here, February the 6th. Apple confirming entry was 4.00 easy. Now you saw what the options were. So you see the options, $400 a piece. Doubling makes it $800, and then we close at $975. That's practically about 100 and 75% gains in the option and a large price. We're not talking about little donkey 60-cent options. No. We're talking about options that you can hold swings. You can hold for direction, big picture thinking, big money. You put $5,000, you follow people. You put $2,000. And you know what your $2,000 did. And for a lot of people, that's what you put $10,000. You follow. It depends on the size of your account. But that's another story. People. All right. So back over here, as you can see, $975 per option, 8K volume traded. The 170s. Actually, I actually rolled into some 170s. People. Anyways, that's despite the story. PowerGroupTrade strikes again in the heart of fear, because I am the big picture billionaire thinker. All right, people, welcome to PowerGroupTrades, the place where I post great detail plans. Listen, people, you want to study my created playlist, a wealth of information, of powerful plans, just like you witnessed here, and of course, I also post plans on PowerGroupTrade, but if you want all my plans, you want to become a follower on PowerGroupTrades, and you can find that information. There's a pinned tweet on PowerGroupTrade, and you can go to PowerGroupTrade here. Here's the PowerGroupTrade Twitter here, and then here's my website, but here's the PowerGroupTrade Twitter. Okay, people, and you get all the information. Now, I suggest you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have one, go open up one and come subscribe. Hit manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. Basically, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format inside this video, and I'm going to talk to you also and give you a one-on-one talk. You're going to hear me speak to you right now. Let's see what I say. PowerGroupTrade here with a great reminder. I always tell people, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also make sure to watch this created playlist. My created playlist, you'll find it at the bottom of the page of the YouTube channel. A wealth of great information, people. And if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one and subscribe manually. But if you have one, I'm going to show you easily to subscribe right inside this video. People, we've been making amazing, great detailed plans. You want to study and also come to my live streams that I try to do mostly on Wednesday. And any other time I announce it. That's why you want to subscribe to, you want to follow me on Twitter. And you want to find out how to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. But it's important. People, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.